enti me medadwene ho a menti ase se omu na omu yese third term for Mahama no sebe omu abodamu anase de na ha omu adwene constitution wo hono akire number of term a obi abetimi akọ enti where from the third term agenda for Mahama TikTokers echire nsa ma sa ankwase akeka no enye adwuma enti nipa ko bi ama planning ama kwose ba bi ama plan that agenda no munyai ye dwene Ghana asomdwe ho munyai mema nkyere mu no akire wadwen ama me e comment section ayi Penyah Block Media message was say need mo obi like video no ada subscribe button na ba click notification icon for latest update na ba kire wadwen de ama me e comment section message so ba so na share for so nya bia hwe out of nowhere NDC betena konya so omu say kan say Mahama extra constitution no either say one or best extend tenure in office just so answer tenure in office and 4 years fixed either say one omu say on fan and sanka constitution or extend that tenure in office no o move from 4 years enko nanim ebiam so say on timi nya no dia ene on say constitution no na say obi abetima ko 2 term no on say no na permit no na on san go for another term when is someone this for ekeka enye Ghana for na eka say it is not any Ghanaian calling for third term for Mahama masa munyai san kwase akeka no Ghana for nka hwe eye NDC party ni mu angasa NDC members na chese minim akonya no mu we ni aba no mu we na ase ya bo modam when ya crown coy say amamon say ekose say ekọ ye hu ba mu kwa na mo still yes Mahama answer question on for third term ama you know agenda bi asase ekoso asofo na hyeda omu sade nyame na aka ana masa asofo na start agenda bi say omu mana look like say it is a prophecy nyame na aka nyame na ahye say ebesi omu de ade bi hye Ghana 43 mu because Prophet Roja ekotena N0NSENSE kansem wi
o dream ana wa hu bibi fa third term bi hu ana asa de wo kan me de madwen bubu a asa yes samra bi na se ma de wo ho no mu a na se aniema nsesa
ensesa bibia.
Do you see say a man pani betimi asan akobio?
I have seen it. Say he's going for the third term and he will win the election. That is it.
Emma ahemfo no ebi so started that agenda no because we ensem a sebe achimesuo mo hene no krontin ne kan ya eye Mahama third term agenda na ebi ana okeka ho ansem and you know a pop up on the internet they said there is a government WhatsApp group I created
in your office who says anything. And I had asked Martin Pebu the same question, that why is it that he seems to believe anything anybody tells him about the office, but he's unwilling to take what the office tells him? He's giving you the reason.
The first time I've had an encounter with Manasseh over this. There is a government WhatsApp group that we are on, and he brings this issue up and he's answered. In fact, as he said, he's had the opportunity to see firsthand some of the work that we have done. But I'll take it one by one.
Let's clarify first.
Yes,
it's not a government. It's not a government WhatsApp group.
No, I'm trying to say that
on that group.
I'm trying to say that
no, I just said
by the
people may get a wrong impression.
Yes.
It's not a government WhatsApp group. It's a WhatsApp group of independent minds, of CSO leaders, and people like you because of your offices, as in the key accountability institutions who are also there. OSP, Shiraj, Auditor General, even the Supreme Court has a representation. Yes. Because we have been given a job to do, which is not influenced by the state.
The point I'm making is that it is created by the government because we are charting a new path on our anti-corruption policy.
And ethics.
So that's the point.
Yeah. Samson Labi, Ebeka said, Abano and a critic, say the government has given them some job to do. Job obey when time more job day. Which I say, Mahama third term agenda no. A home popular as a mood, hum como, ewo honomo. What I say? But who come here and say, I'm going to say, yada, TikTok as nature say. Any conversation, actually say Mahama, and go for third term no. Now it will never materialize.
Woni we koma Ghana asofofo nketewa na amaba na amahyehe half shoe no yema mma yenti awe yasum se nyamye yi akire mo se yemfa John Mahama emra tetem mu woni ni asofo nketewa no se yetim wo yasum ane nyamye yi akire se John Mahama baba tetem amowu mowu se be se di matema ho maso pa mo media we so mo sori mani nyina be jeja mo so because yenti krumu ada say malambi ana say alaji bi ababonte se nyamia yi ache de bia mo na nyamia yi kire mo sa so fun keto na ma hye half shoe ni kaftan no yellow ni blue no am nam social media no se mo be twantro na nyamia yi ache se John Dramani because John Dramani Mahama na mo no mo pese o mra tete mana say mo ye tete manje de man o mo obra papa bia fa magana for because ono kwa no so twa na ba na memo we see 2028 we twa 10 years because at time is we no be twa 2 years o twa 2012 to 2016 4 years o say twa 2024 to 2028 10 years onye bi bia fa magana obetimi do nsa ati uso obo e dia tese we John Dramani Mahama na ye magana for oni social intervention oni achievement oni good policy bia de magana it is house of na mo ya na nyamye ya kire nyamye ya kire no yebumu mo ye mumu sa na mo ye mo adwen se mama media yi so abaye ne nyamye ya kire se John Dramani Mahama baba tete ma mo wu o sa so foko no wo wu eje begu chem eje begu chem ye woni ne ya ka kire mo no mo de bia mo ne nyame yi bibi kire mo so fo nke mo ne de bia nyame yi bibi kire mo John Dramani Mahama no kwabro no gitum se onye bibi amfa mo Ghana for na mo mabaye ne nyame ya kire because of mafu amope because of VAT amope adam mo be yesa ne se ye chimo a we ye woni ne yakajam se afie be wura mu die e dirty politics e dirty ene ye ba be ye no ubu hu a me ye bi because o mama kwa bintela kwa mani digana penivatem ama kontihine asom kontihine kwasia no digana penivatem dia ye nkura no so ye basa sebo ye basa sebo ba tan no because ye nwusem penifo no mu ho ti yesusu ye be dirtiest e dia ma mu kama enti ye pass off for some be involve politics nim ene nyame yi a kire ene mu kone de bia mu na nyame yi kire mu so malamfo de nyame nyi kire mu malamfo de nyame nyi bibi kire mu meboa because of mafunti mu maye nyame yi a kire na 2026 mu fa enyimi sa fa muram mu nyimi na nyame yi a kire na mu njimi waso papa for no mo Ghana ha ni mu omu nkasa asofu papa for na nyame na mo so ye adwuma ye nwosra no omu nkasa fo mu for politics because omu ni mu say nyame adwuma na omu ye no omu pese be kasa de tie omu enti omu na mo control do na mo so megimi ene nyame ye kire se John Dramani Mahama baba time to wo so fo no ebe fa se rapture no ebe fa se rapture no me megimi jawa sorry Joe correction bapo bunkrofo momto olive oil momto hwa oil wow lie by mejene nyame yate na John Dramani Mahama se yemfa na tetem bia because papa no John Dramani Mahama no nye bi papa bia because na 11 months as 12 months we are watwa ye ho 3 adwadifo e kwadwa so ye ntade Robin Peter to pay Paul or say what inflation apart from $30 so as so normal board the tell take gani 7 Ghana cedis a teacher for so more 9% at the account mu omusika ho as so say the water 14.75 na be kan we ananse say we year 20 chere Ghana for nya Ghana for ye mu bi ya adwena wu a ye tie wu na say obe mo bi 9% the account ketwa no say 14.75 at the be kan tariff electricity no water all the represented kutu ese be kan dia now this a tibon koso ni obi na adwini awuo no be ka papa we oye bibi onye hwe Robin Peter to people obi a otimi tom ayi pad the Ghana for your budget at the pad say pad ba ko 45 Ghana cedis abra pad 18 cedis ni 15 Ghana cedis pad John Dramani Mahama ton pad at the my 45 Ghana cedis now be jina ka se emfa papa we sam na tetema now wo sa so no eso mo ye ba furu wadu atam sese bobata no wo de mu megimi e won ne ka kire mo sa so fu ngede na ma hye half show mu njimi ye di ka bom koko mamu njimi mamu megimi nkire go ye nyabre pa ye nyabre go ye ho kire ti mamu fo ho kire omu akua fo ho kire omu kwane no aburo boto kakraka one bag never be 5 million nkuma na fa be ayinu roba no 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba sa wo ku akuafo na sa wo be yi omu puso Nana Akufo-Addo also beans bottle na ye 30 million oba also what 10 normal so all the beans na about 10 million yanto eguonum na epro so nyansa be logic na nyansa be na osa anu mawi so there's no sense in it just obi a we tip on so onwene Ghana onwene mfa nko akiri de bo hu se man we be oye bibi onya hwe robbing Peter to people and wo sika edigu presidential office onum e man sa anu toto fefe wa no di Ghana sika no Women's Bank say in see baby Sami Janfi Motenega on won't take Sami Janfi because of the this car or the good boss or this kind of Ghana for one children. That my communications minister and that's all communication there. Now Moten Casa already on TV so but zero Desica so she can't pay the into on Casa. We live to see.
Me say, Sansem we own. Mark it on the wall. Save this video. Share video no ne follow accounts on na mema update saa kopem 2026 June 2026 June ne nti share odu unu say asema wuken asema wuken on kofo I think that time kana kofo a time no kwa oba be free so 2007 mu ho baby na kofo ko kan say obedi president wa observe Ghana mamuonu ne send any message. So wo hwemu a like a first timer, first time I went to Obama or say be a be president no. First year no. Ana enema a little bit rough kakra. Enema a little bit rough kakra. Ana last year so eno so kwa election year. Nti technically no. So wo hwemu pa akwa esa mamuonu 2 years. Akwa esa mamuonu 2 years. Nti sa na tie dia yes extend the lifespan of presidency years will be and for I think so making number say 5 years 66 years bra be share and this for so sick for so dinatem na yeni hanum say na yeso obi de dela ye beto aba dela ekbeka kire kofo say na boni nti no wote hwemu 87-year-old man ne ni party ho hwe enye wo papa nye wo nana ebi no ka kire no nti na hawo amo ahu se party na wo de wo boje no so no mo ye demonic wo hu funso bia wo ho na hwade bia ekoso me say that is the agenda Mahama beka se on kwatetem ni nyina eye frakadam ade o man no se dodo na adwene mu omere nti obeka sa se nipa adwene be firi niema bi so oboa enti their plan was say obeka sa asem no nti se ye kwaye mra se omampanyini bi betra so onko 6 years 7 years 8 years it means say enye Mahama na eko eye mra no na efo so na manako because so kasa Mahama na eko adenti na ono so onko se ento no so aba se onko gina se ento no so aba eye number of years na ya extend no what I say number of years na ya extend into ono onko gina se ento no so aba nti ono be eba abonte be kan sa asem nyina na plan omo sa nkomo na ekọ so man ba abonte be kan sa asem nyina is calculated and plan. It's calculated and planned. Eti hade sisi e wo media no so a o de obi anka nchem sa asema be kan meboa. Ubo se nipa bi afa camera si wo mo so no ma hie nipa bi. No ma busa no. Ada se eye plan NDC member no ni di nkomo ana se ye MPP member no di nkomo. These two we chire ma chire wo. Se eye plan NDC member no ni di nkomo a even the current amemu a ekoso no kwa onka ho asem. Ubo se no wate asi NPP amamuonim your friend say Baumia and Yakufo-Addo then no ka all sort of enkwasiasem obekona grofo guasie comments and likes NDC for no bebre that is the plan na fe wo keka nsema na so okohia ebia obi a woye neutral ana woye MPP ni na nipa no try say wo busa no question asem John Mahama by 1 year ni yenye interview John Mahama by 1 year ni hu na mamu ni say we compare last year say na mamu ni sitie we a question ne ni panakas first year yi dey ye hu so because over last year na dwomu ye December na ade na dwomu ye na niam e koso sitie na scanning system ni hwe de oye interview no beka na say sisi ano nneɛma aba fam dollar so ate your friend say John Mahama say was say ode nkukon ketenkete ba ode nkukon ketenkete ba isi dollar so ate nneɛma aba fam. Now those interviewers no omatene John Mahama policy explainers obisa wasem na wo anko ono ni favor na afo ono be kire de ekoso wo mani mu akire wo. This is what is happening in the media and it is well planned and calculated. No put the check it wo media no so obo hu san krofo ni bi no kuta akọ dwomu bia no wahia wo bi so wahia nipa na say planned and calculated by NDC member hwese de community na onti nipa no ebobọ sa ne ma na nko no eye MPP anase bia neutral person bi no wahia na bia wo kasa asem na sa asem na nka interview ane be kan onka biem because asem na obusa no de open why den waka na emo wan ka de ono pese wo ka na wo ka different no ba be kire ma kire wo. When was the last time during MPP time before I come see ni suko buso obi say sen na amamu ni kwa nipa na ka say enkoyi nipa na kire de ekofo do ba waye mu da mami one video mami one ekofo do time say nipa na ka say oh this time there amamu no ni amamu odin enkoyi do wo hwe mu a FSHS no de ba ne de ye but nipa na nkasa be ka de papa ne ba ye waye den waye owia no waka ne lapses but we de da bi wonya bom Mahama lapses so anase de ekoso a enye se bia your friend say enye jimi ni nyansa ukuta sika ekoto pad yese ba ku 15 ba ku 45 cedis obi so obeche wade de ode beche on 45 cedis de okoton go store on 15 cedis enti obepe so wade sika na be mana de ekoto miensa anase obeje your friend say ba ku no ode man for 1 month a year ni nyina wo pad ba ku for 1 year enye se bia akola bia enya 12 pad for 12 months o. And ye calculate sika ni ye dia no what is obi ye interview ka ho asem da on ka ho asem dollar no so eso atene hwe unim $10 billion ye ka say $10 billion unim ade kro ye the $10 billion ewura forest market nim to suppress or to strengthen the city so $10 billion we unim companies e betima bi na ye nya majority leader the parliament say drone delivery 270 million Ghana cedis no a bit tally all the roads leading to our hospitals. What about the $10 billion? It didn't bit my Ghana ha. What companies ABC? Unim new baby. Like what the total one and far into a plan. A plan, destiny. A plan. Where ye agitate obise onko tetema. Anka what the emfa violence. Kofo Atamils John Mahama chapter 1 John Mahama chapter 2 watwa 1 year we a fair person we a Ghanaian for politics eton chen on for politics eton chen so agina o party colors mu na kasa ni ehwe wunyansa e wo trim na kire me say sa presidents we nyina ye do mu nyina besi ho no ma why ana wo so man ne call for say won sa medi o man to be but Kofo kwa de wan kasa wo ko tetemu eye suggestion na wo meki say we should do something about it. Suggestion keke no mudi natem. Thinking say you no ni mom ne pese we lapsing anaso like we dey okoyi more years e woni mfi ni so. Ene obi abetwa 1 year we've not seen the clear policies. Hey bra enti ana medwene ho say interviews no ye ne nkran ni kumase enkran isle gwana okoyi obi interview say enkukon ketenkete aba isle gwa hemfa na okonye san kokon bese kosunwan kobrekum omo ne won saase aport ni ko makwabene mu omo ne won saase o makwabene mu e wo sen ka ban empower omo ene some places e wo Ghana hanum si ensa so wono me betim dia esa project ni da bi opeso wo no as a national policy maker so why achievement we MPP policy ba kokore ni hono metu no enuru ne fampo na nyansa bia akra so nim eni dache na obi so obebro 24-hour economy ohun say say interviews na me come asem no maka say Mahama ba ka say 24-hour economy wentimi anya na so no ka de wentimi anya da or ka de wo nya boss say enyema a ekoso wa anya pe no be ka de wo hu bi onu feel di akere wo. That is what the interviewers are doing. And the people are calling for a third term. Which people? The people are Mahama, yes, why are the people are calling for a third term. Do you believe it or not? Nippon Casa de Bonini, 1 year in the first year, you super. No, bet him. Or no interview, and no bet him. When was the last time I who say a Kufuado pencil, Obi, yes, I interview Nibi. Obi, a Casa say be a Kufuado Memo, Ebi and Koya, and I say be a CS, do fears in the Abbey minor. I'm out for one harum and crown to school like education wise and Yama Kunim. But still now, I say, and Yama can give you one of my was buying because I want it. That is a fair judgment. But this time around, wouldn't now call John Mahama say why you be and yes, what there be an interview on Abem. Oh, na say, me say. A free June aircon, yen united to me, ye ni, ebe hunu follow accounts on the share video no. Next video way to another, that's what they make over me. I'm telling you this.
Many end this for maintain this for nothing. Imagine say, Senga Kufa better Ghana kunyaso. Eno can say ordinance constitution no. No as I go for another term. And can then end this for Nebeka. Me who agree hamu, me who agree that with him. And come back as them be. Senga Kufa beno can say or go for another term and get there by the na mobeka. Why are you forcing something which is not there to be there? Ade no mamba kwa ye chire sebe ebi mu di Jimmy sa Jimmy munsua nyansa Jimmy sa ade asemi constitution ya mara ba tede cho man say obi abeto ko 2 term so ye bofo say Yesu kra be prega na kunya na owe ni o 2 term afede bebi ade asemi Basem. Any third term, Eddie Basem. Eddie, I remember when a year who subida into no more call for third term. I remember pay pana you now, you who subida. Eddie hasn't brainy. Moya sound, said the more part say. Mahama free party no more, Munin and Sanibia will be more. Monte Mocanasiana. More part say, any Mahama and Kwan said Nipa and Yans only tribu in the big NDC party. Or no kwani se binipa nyansa ho nitirimu mo patre se onko for third term dia ene mo amodi mo nya hwebo party mo se sebe nyansa ni obi atirimu ono kwani wa dwene nyansa se mo ntensa mo kana se a e den kwasa akekeni kire wa dwema me e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media agra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!